Forget about meme coins. Forget about the hype. The next trillion-dollar wave in crypto will not be driven by retail speculation. It will be driven by the tokenization of global industry, revolutionizing supply chains, streamlining finance, and powering real-world infrastructure. This is the world of B2B blockchain, business to business. For years, businesses have been promised a blockchain revolution, but adoption has been slow, held back by fundamental challenges. Welcome back to Hyra Deep Dive. Today, we will analyze the battle to become the enterprise backbone of Web3. We will explore what businesses really want from a blockchain, analyze established giants like Hyperledger Fabric and VeChain, and then conduct an in-depth architectural analysis of how Hyra is purpose-built to solve the very problems that have held back other competitors. This is the story of Hyra's competitive advantage in the enterprise arena. Chapter 2. The Enterprise Blockchain Dilemma. What do businesses really want? To understand Hyra's advantage, we first need to understand the profound dilemma businesses face when considering blockchain technology. They are caught in a constant tug-of-war between competing needs. 1. Public versus private debate. Businesses are attracted to the security, decentralization, and network effects of public blockchains like Ethereum. However, they absolutely require the privacy, control, and predictable performance of private, permissioned blockchains. No global corporation can allow sensitive supply chain data or financial transactions to be visible to everyone. This is the biggest barrier. 2. Mandatory scalability and cost requirements. Enterprises operate at large scale, often processing millions of data points or transactions daily. The high and volatile gas fees of a traditional Layer 1 are unacceptable. They need predictable, ultra-low costs to make any application viable. 3. Integration. Nightmare. A Fortune 500 company cannot just discard its multi-million-dollar SAP or Oracle systems. A blockchain solution must seamlessly integrate with existing legacy infrastructure. A complete overhaul from scratch is non-negotiable for most enterprises. 4. Need for on-chain intelligence. Businesses don't just want an immutable database. That's Web 2. For Web 3, they need the ability to run analytics, execute complex logic, and even apply AI directly on their on-chain data to automate processes and generate insights. A simple ledger is not enough. Any project that wants to win the enterprise market must address all 4 of these challenges. Chapter 3. The Major Competitors. Competitive Analysis. Let's analyze how established competitors have tried to solve this dilemma. Competitor number 1. Hyperledger. Fabric, private intranet network. Pitch. Developed by IBM and the Linux Foundation, Hyperledger is the gold standard for private, permissioned blockchains. It gives enterprises the privacy and control they crave. Strengths. It has a modular, highly customizable structure and allows businesses to precisely define who can join their network. It is seen as a safe, enterprise-friendly choice. Weaknesses. Essentially, it is an intranet, not the internet. It is isolated from the liquidity, interoperability, and broad network effects of public blockchains. It achieves privacy by sacrificing the greatest advantages of Web 3. Competitor number 2, VeChain, public supply chain specialist. Pitch. VeChain is a public Layer 1 blockchain specifically designed for supply chain management and traceability. Strengths. It is a proven solution with real-world adoption, famously used by major companies like Walmart China. Its focus on combining IoT devices with blockchain to combat counterfeiting is powerful and effective. Weaknesses. As a Layer 1, it faces the classic blockchain trilemma, with inherent limitations in scalability and cost compared to newer architectures. Its focus is primarily a data ledger, not a high-performance computing platform for things like AI. Both are pioneering projects, but each only solves part of the enterprise puzzle. Chapter 4. Hyra's Enterprise. Enterprise Advantage, Architectural Edge. Now let's analyze how Hyra's unique architecture delivers a comprehensive solution. 1. Solving the public versus private dilemma. Hybrid Layer 3 model. This is Hyra's masterstroke. An enterprise can deploy its own private, permissioned Layer 3 on top of the Hyra technology stack. This gives them the privacy and control they get from Hyperledger. All their sensitive transactions occur on their private L3. But because this L3 records state onto a public Layer 2, they can choose to interact with the public chain whenever needed, accessing public liquidity or proving data integrity to the outside world. It's the best of both worlds. 2. Solving scalability and cost. The power of vertical integration. As discussed in the L2 versus L3 showdown, a specialized Layer 3 for applications can be many times cheaper and faster than a general-purpose Layer 1 like VeChain. For an enterprise processing millions of supply chain updates, the difference between paying a few cents per transaction and a fraction of a cent is huge. Hyra is built for enterprise scale. 3. Solving the need for on-chain intelligence. Native AI layer. This is Hyra's ultimate competitive advantage. Enterprises using Hyra don't just have a ledger, they have a built-in decentralized analytics and AI engine. Recall our decentralized logistics example. A company can use Hyra not only to track shipments on-chain, like VeChain, but also to run a Hyra AI model directly on that data to predict delays, optimize routes in real time, or automatically trigger insurance contracts. Hyperledger and VeChain are excellent databases. Hyra is an intelligent cloud. This is a fundamental difference in capability. Chapter 5. Conclusion. The future of enterprise is a smart technology stack. So, in the battle for the B2B blockchain market, who has the advantage? While incumbents like Hyperledger Fabric and VeChain have addressed critical initial problems and paved the way, their architectures represent first-generation thinking. Hyperledger chooses privacy over interoperability. VeChain chooses a public ledger over high-performance computing. Hyra's next-generation architecture, a hybrid public/private Layer 3 model, combined with a natively integrated AI compute layer, is purpose-built to solve the comprehensive set of challenges that have held back true enterprise adoption. It delivers a private, scalable, intelligent, and interoperable solution. The future of enterprise is not just on-chain, it is on a smart, multi-layer technology stack, and Hyra is building it from the ground up. If you enjoyed this deep analysis of the B2B landscape, please show your support by hitting like and subscribe to the Hyra Deep Dive channel. In the next video, we will ask, why is Hyra different from other AI coin projects? You won't want to miss that important analysis. Thank you for watching.